Hi, it is day two, and let's see, it's around 4:50 Pacific time. It is Thursday, and as I said, it's day two of my fast, and I'm feeling a little tired. I took a little bit of a nap this afternoon. I've also had this itching that is occurring here. So I don't know, how long that's going to take to get better, but we'll see. Maybe it won't. I did do some measurements around EMFs, and it turns out that my computer puts out and by the way, I'm not hooked up to Wi-Fi. I turned off the Wi-Fi, and I'm using I forget what they call it. The cable, the coax cable that can plug into your computer, and I put my computer in airplane mode, so it shouldn't be putting out any signals, but it does, and that signal comes out every 4 or 5, maybe 10 seconds. Yeah, maybe it's more like 10 or 20 seconds, but it's a significant blast of energy, according to my RF meter. So I'm just exploring. Uh, the peak signal is like over. Well, it goes beyond the range of the thing. Well, actually, I take that back. If I'm say 7 or 8 feet away, then the blast coming from the computer is somewhere around 17, 18, maybe 1900 microwatts. So that's 1900 microwatts per square meter, which translates to close to 2 milliwatts per square meter. But it's just a blast. And so I've been exploring a little bit around the house, and that, I tried the microwave. It turns out the microwave is a huge blast of energy. So if you have a microwave, uh, stay away from it. If you don't have a microwave, don't get one. I don't use it very often. I only use it to sometimes to heat my coffee. If I so anyway, I used to use it for heating up food, but now I don't think. I think I'll probably get rid of it. Um, so I'm not doing too bad. Tomorrow is probably going to be a tough day, and tonight I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, mainly because of this irritation here. We'll see how it goes tonight. But I am going to dance. I volunteer as crew at dance, so I go there a little early to help set up, and then I, stay late to shut it down. But I'll see what my energy's like when I'm dancing. So this is just the beginning. Day two, I got on the scale. I lost 5 pounds, but I know it's all water weight. So drinking lots of water. Probably should drink more. And I've got my organic garden. I go out there and they call it earthing. But I take off my shoes, my flip flops, and stand in the grassy area, and I can feel it. I can feel the energy. Apparently, uh, the Earth has negative energy. It has a lot of electrons, and that's what we actually need more of. And so I go out there at least once or twice a day and connect to the Earth, connect to Gaia, and scoop up some electrons, so that electrons are apparently good for you. I've also been doing a lot of research, and the latest research that I've been doing has been around exclusion zone water. And the scientist who is exploring this, I watched him on the Thunderbolts project. They have a lot of new emerging kind of science there. And this EZ water has some very interesting properties. And it's actually structured water. So, and that's the kind of water, and they have, that there are three phases of water. So you have solid, liquid, and gas. But some people think of this as another state of water, which is structured water. That it's almost gel-like. So it has some very interesting properties, and I'll be putting that. I'm going to be posting that video on Conscious Connection Community if you want to go take a look at it. So I think that's probably enough for today. I didn't want to get too deeply into it. I'm still pretty much in the feminine right now. I haven't really structured my day. I think I'm going to wait a little bit before I structure it too much. There are things that I need to do. Like I need to put together a flyer for this talk I'm going to be giving on EMFs at the library. I need to start putting together some marketing materials, and so I've got work to do. I just really lazy, and so we'll see. We'll see how much energy I have tomorrow. I have a feeling that I won't really have a lot of energy until next week, but we'll see. I will talk to you again tomorrow.